In the heart of the Renaissance, the harmony of Western classical music began to take shape. Amidst the grandeur of the Italian courts, the lute and the viola da gamba, once the sole instruments of the royal courts, were joined by an instrument of humbler origin, the violin. The violin, a descendant of the Arabic rebab, was introduced to Europe by the gypsies. Its agility and versatility soon captivated the nobility, leading to its widespread adoption. As the violin's popularity grew, so did the repertoire of music composed for it, paving the way for the Baroque period. In this era, composers like Johann Sebastian Bach and Antonio Vivaldi transformed the music landscape. Bach's intricate and complex compositions, filled with counterpoint, showcased the violin's expressive potential. Vivaldi's Four Seasons, with its evocative and descriptive music, brought a new level of emotion to the violin's repertoire. However, the Baroque period was not without its challenges. The death of Bach and Vivaldi marked the end of an era, leaving a void that needed to be filled. It was during this time of uncertainty that a new style emerged, the classical period. The classical period, with its emphasis on elegance, clarity, and emotional restraint, was ushered in by composers like Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Mozart's symphonies, concertos, and operas, with their refined melodies and dance-like rhythms, defined the period. Yet, even in the face of Mozart's brilliance, the quest for musical innovation continued. Ludwig van Beethoven, a contemporary of Mozart, pushed the boundaries of music further. His Symphony No. 3, Eroica, marked a departure from the traditional sonata form, introducing a new level of complexity and depth. Beethoven's groundbreaking works set the stage for the Romantic period, a time when music was no longer just a courtly entertainment, but a powerful means of expressing deep emotions. In this era, composers like Franz Schubert and Richard Wagner composed music that was expressive, passionate, and dramatic, reflecting the tumultuous times of the 19th century. The Symphony of Strings, once a humble instrument of the gypsies, had evolved into the heartbeat of Western classical music. From the Baroque period's intricate counterpoints to the Romantic period's passionate melodies, the violin's journey was a testament to the power of innovation and the enduring charm of music. In the hands of future composers, the violin would continue to evolve, adapting to the changing times and reflecting the spirit of each era. The Symphony of Strings, much like the history of Western classical music, was a continuous and captivating tale of growth, transformation, and innovation.